Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Adobe Express for on-brand social graphics, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe Express on your device. Sign into your Adobe account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the brand option in the left-hand menu. Click on Brand to access the branding setup page. Here, you'll see options to add your logo, colors, and fonts. Start by uploading your logo. Click the Upload button and select your logo file from your device. Once uploaded, adjust the logo as needed. Next, move to the color options. Choose your brand colors by clicking on the color palette. You can either enter the hex code or select colors manually. After selecting your colors, click Save. Now, proceed to set your brand fonts. Browse through the available fonts and choose the ones that match your brand identity. Select a primary font for headings and a secondary font for body text. Once you've made your selections, click Save again. Now that your brand assets are set up, you can create graphics. Return to the main dashboard to start a new project. Pick a template that fits your social media needs. Customize the template using your uploaded logo, colors, and fonts. As you edit, ensure your graphics maintain brand consistency. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Download or Share. Choose the format you wish to save or share your graphic. Your branded social graphics are now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.